Today we know that chickens come from eggs, and eggs come from chickens. Then, when we venture back in time to establish how the first chicken laid the first egg, we get all confused figuring out where that chicken hatched from the previous egg before laying the first egg, to conclude that there was a chicken to lay the previous egg from the first egg that was laid by the first chicken. In the timeline of history, that's where the term BC comes from, like 200 BC. Historians might say 217 BC, which sounds more accurate, meaning 217 years before chicken, as in the first chicken. After that, it's AD, the abbreviation for Anno Domini. Anno means year in Latin, and Domini means of the egg. Interestingly enough, there is a direct correlation between the elucidation of the chicken and egg conundrum and the design of websites we like to use. Today we have a discipline called User Experience Design, which, just like BC, is abbreviated UX. UX design is the deliberate intent to make the experience of using a website enjoyable for you and me. So UX is like the chicken, and like the chicken lays an egg, UX spawns a user interface, abbreviated UI, which is the egg, Dominus in Latin. Here is where the UX, chicken, and the UI, egg, get just as confusing historically, because to you and me, the user experience is established after we navigate the user interface. We'll say, I like this site, or what the f***, what's going on here? This site sucks! That is called user feedback. Amongst professionals, that can also be passed off as a heuristic evaluation. Today, we are aware, if you've been paying any attention, that the design of the user interface we see, the egg, is the product of the design of the user experience, the chicken. But then to you and me, as users enjoying a website or yelling profanities at it, the user experience, the chicken, is the product of the user interface, the egg. And from our feedback is initiated the design of an improved user experience, so the egg hatches a chicken to lay a better egg. And it all starts over.